Hello guys, this is Pinay Pai sa American Vlog. Today guys, as I told you guys from my last video, now we're gonna go and give a special shout out and thankful sa mga new members at sa mga renewal members in my team. So ito na sila guys. I'm so happy guys na I have them always there sa live streaming ko, and then nag-support at nagtiwala sa akin guys, and now this is my special thankful to my new members and my rejoined members or renewal members, and then I will also go and give thanks to my supporters and my co-promoters as well. So ito na guys, not in particular order guys, these are all my members from 2020 and 2021 new members. Palawan Vlog or Yes Yan TV, Rias Mix TV, Villages Dreamen, Rowena Quiet, Chinoy's Lab, Mommy Cha Im Tuang, Han Box, Angel Place, Rusa Wagner USA, Kabakit, One Link TV, Mihu, Malu Tea Garden, Maribel Baclao and Maritis Baclao, Super Mom Adventure, Dongs TV, Sally Miboyno or Zuli Official, Julus Vlog, Simple Philam Kids, Hashtag Pinoy Ako TV, Litz Vlog, Kafi Tambayan Vlog, V My Lady, Maria Lisa Satu, Mamit Ashmon Lumukbang, Notch Igiming, Maribel Pagaran, Kusina ni Ate Jean, Sheila Nicole Vlog, Ray Canta, Al Alejandro, Arnia Bulanon, Savannah Marsan, Nancy Acosta, Minerva Roca, Tagabaryo sa US, Genius, and Desiree Vlog. Okay guys, so Maribel Pagaran, I forget that, and then Notch Gaming, he's still there. Okay guys, so to all my co-promoters guys, Kilay is Life 29, Toys TV 24, Notch Gaming, Infinity Channel, Lalonda Canada, One Link TV, Windy Cooling Postma, Rowena Quiet, and to the people that always come into my LS guys, that no always there guys, thank you very much. Nila ni Potato Babies, Yara Olico, a simple girl vlog, sino pa yung nagpalaging nagpunta sa LS ko guys, thank you very much. And then malaking ang pasasalamat ko sa inyo. You always there to support me. And then to my families and relatives that is vlogger, to my daughter Dixie Plays, to my niece, to my nephew into YT channel, to my niece Villalin Naason, to my two sisters that are proud pobre, Adil the Versatile, and to my close friend of ours, Miss Rice. And then, mga supportive natin noon is Bisayang Chinito, Rodel Hanaban, and thank you to all of you. Maraming salamat, and without you guys, I don't have revenue monthly, guys. So, nagpasalamat pa rin tayo kahit wala man kahit kung minsan hindi man tayo maka-revenue. Pero, don't stop, guys. It's just like, wag na nyo na lang yung iisipin, guys, na or magdepende kayo na, oh, dapat magsahod ako this month or next month. Ganyan. Is just like, isipin nyo na piggy bank iyon, na it will just stay in there and gonna carry over. Basta active lang kayo, guys, may upload kayo or may nanonood sa inyo, guys, hindi yan nanakawin ni Lolo ang harang ninyo. And then palaki ng palaki, guys. So, wag kayong mag-alala, keep moving, and then I'm here to support you guys. Your family will support you guys. And sa mga team natin, huwag kayong mag-alala kasi mamuni tayo slowly or slowly but surely, guys. Okay, and also, guys, I would like to congratulate to our monetized channel sa mga members natin. Congratulate natin si Cafe Tambayan this year. Almost end of this year, December. Cafe Tambayan, Julud's Vlog, si Angel Place just monetized yesterday, si Sheila Nico Vlog, yung sino pa na monetize, si Villalina Ason, si Proud Pobre, and then we are 4 or 5 coming to be monetized. O si Sally Muy Bueno Vlog, she just get monetized last week ago. So, guys, we have more to go, guys, and thank you for the support. And hindi ako mapapagod na shout out ko kayo every time in my YouTube. Because, guys, kung wala kayo, guys, wala tayong revenue na makukuha ngayon, guys. So, guys, I try my best. And thank you. And way to go to us, team. Thank you very much to my team. I love you and I appreciate you guys to support renewed in my membership. Kahit hindi ako naka-member sa inyo. Thank you. Oh, guys, si Miho, guys, did I go and mention Miho, guys? If I don't, Miho, I go and get you. Si Litz Vlog, hindi ko alam kapag si Litz, wala na si Litz Vlog. I'm not sure, i-mention ko pa rin kita. Litz Vlog, hindi na kita nakalimutan, okay? Nasa isip na kita palagi. Okay, guys, that's it, guys. Thank you very much. And to all the members that hindi pa monetize, we'll get you there. And you just be patient and trust, okay? Trust your host, okay? Once again, guys, thank you very much. And that's it, guys. We just give you some thankful and for the support to all my members and supporters, guys, my co-promoters, my family. Thank you very much. And I love you all. Mwah.